if you look closely on their eyes, there is some tears on their eyes. Guys, it looks like terrifying. You know what I mean? Guys, let me ask you something. For example, this guy is your dad. Alright? Just as for example, it's not your dad. I know it's not your dad. But let me ask you one question. If this guy is your dad, and one day he said, son or daughter, I'm going to China. He didn't tell you the reason, and you never heard him saying, I'm going to China for face surgery. But he said, I'm going to China. And you said, maybe he's going China for a vacation or for something, and you minded your business. But after 1 week, this guy came back and he said, hey son, how you doing? How your reaction will gonna be? Are you gonna say, oh, what's up dad, how you doing? Or you will gonna freak out and you will gonna say, you're not my dad. Yeah, absolutely. You may gonna think like, yeah, maybe he is my uncle because he looked like my dad a little bit, but this nigga is not my dad. Like for me, that is how am I gonna feel. Even this woman, this beautiful woman is your mom, and she say I'm going to China, but this girl have returned. She doesn't even look the same. She looks so different, bro. We have seen some crazy surgeries before, but however the person did a surgery to his face, still you will gonna feel like this person is the same person. You know, the face shape, the everything will gonna be same like the person. But going from 60 years old and going down to look like a 10 years old kid, these people, they look like that, and that is so terrifying. You see this girl, to be honest with you, if I saw her for the first time, like I'm gonna think like a video game or a robot. Basically, she looks like a robot who trying to be human. You feel what I mean? You know, guys. I'm not joking. That's crazy. These guys who are making these kind of crazy surgeries, who are these guys? For sure, you have seen a lot of people talking about these people, or you came across these kind of weird videos running on TikTok. So this guy who became famous on TikTok by doing this kind of surgeries, his name is Kim, and he's from China. For the first days when the people saw, the people was like, whoa, bro, you're doing great job. You changing the people so good. But after a couple of days, his videos become viral on TikTok, and a lot of people find out it's kind of weird. They doesn't even look like a human. They doesn't look like happy human being. There is a lot of YouTubers out there who made a lot of videos about this man. Like a couple of days ago, in his TikTok account, he uploaded like more than 100 videos, and all of that videos, they look like this kind of people, surgery and crazy stuff. But right now, when he saw a lot of people talking about him, he deleted all of that videos. There is only like 5 or 6 videos. I don't know if he's gonna upload another videos or he will gonna delete these other videos. Anyways, guys, so there is a question. You know the story. I got a question. Like, I've watched a lot of his videos to find out, are these people really happy? Are they really want to become like this? And I found out that these people, they doesn't look really happy. Before the surgery, they look okay, they look human, they look happy. But after surgery, they look like they got forested, they got bearded, they look like they are terrifying, they got scary. Even there is some people, if you look closely on their eyes, there is some tears on their eyes. Guys, it looks like terrifying. You know what I mean? So guys, let me ask you this question. Do you think these people, these doctors, did something bad to these people? The reason I'm asking you this question is that there is a YouTuber who asked them. He was trying to act like their patient is to know more about them and what they do. When he asked the price, they said $4,000 or $5,000. Plus, we were gonna take you from America to China, Shanghai, all of that from us. Don't worry. You wanna come and have very beautiful surgery? Just take $5,000 and we're gonna take you to China. They take everything. And you know that this kind of surgeries are very, very expensive. It's not that cheap, bro. So that is why they got a lot of poor people. If you are having a surgery, before you start doing this kind of big surgery to your body, the people who do the surgery, they start from like doing the surgery to their nose, to their lips, to their like a little bit. But doing this big surgery for the first time, that's different, that's insane. And the most of people who go to their clinics are poor people who came from small cities. And also the biggest question is, they did this kind of surgeries to hundreds of people. Why can't we see anyone who've been there and who talking about them, even said they were good or said they were bad? I don't know what the hell is going on. Are they disappeared after that surgery? Guys, where are you guys? We want to hear your histories. Come out and talk about the process and what they did. We want to know, bro. We want to know more. So anyways, guys, I want to know your idea and what you think. Comment. Do you think these guys are legit and what they're doing is okay? Or are you feeling some suspicious just like me? Do you think like there is something wrong? There is something fishy? Because no one knows their exact location. They just said Shanghai, but we don't know the exact place in Shanghai. No one knows their location. And we never seen them interviewing on a TV or somewhere else. The only time we are seeing is when they are talking or interviewing the patients. So guys, me and a lot of people like me want to know more. So what do you think? Comment down below. Also, if you are new to this channel, we will gonna do a lot of videos, a lot of good content is. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. If you are watching me from Facebook, follow for more videos. So have a beautiful day or have a beautiful night. Bye.